Welcome!
So yan, shout out everyone, ADR TVPH and welcome to my channel. And for today's video guys, ay papakita ko sa inyo yung mga kaganapan, pangyayari kung saan ay yung tungkol sa bahay. At ito na yun. At kung saan, kung ano yung paghanda na nangyari. So wala ako lagi sa bahay. So kumuha lang ako ng mga clip. At ipapakita ko sa inyo. Ang medyo natagalan. Pero ito na yun guys. Simulan na natin in 3,
2, 1, let's go!
Hey bossing. So ito na nga no, at lagi tayong wala sa bahay kasi tayo ay lagi nagtitinda sa umaga at hapon. At isa pa, wala din akong idea sa kung paano or gaano kamahal yung gasto sa lahat. Wala akong idea. So ito yung first time at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga sumuporta, mga nagpalipad, sa mga nagbigay ng blessing, sa mga nag-share, sa mga nag-donate. Maraming salamat po. At ito na yon, at may papakita ko sa inyo. Karalas ko. Pato na ho. Yung semento ay pinalagay muna natin sa loob ng bahay ni Lola para mas safety siya. So, ayan. Semento. So yun, pasensya na talaga kasi hindi tayo nakapag-vlog ng maayos. Tayo ay laging wala talaga sa bahay na kailangan natin magtinda. At medyo natagalan din ako mag-upload. Pasensya na talaga. So, ayun. At grabe yung na-experience natin sa mga bagay-bagay na nangyari at nagdaan. Grabe, nakaka-stress pala to. Grabe. Pero yun, laban lang kung hanggang saan makarating yung ating naipon para sa bahay. So at least, mayroon na tayong nagawa from ating YouTube channel na yun, diba? Maraming salamat talaga. Grabe. Laban.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo. Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. You always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flaws, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up,
para sa poste
today's
at
gonna be a
yung
good day. Wake up, today's gonna
ginabas
be
na
a
yung plywood at si Papa.
Wake
Father!
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward and never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again.
So yun, pasensya na, putol-putol talaga yung video natin and more on short clip lang ating naipon at may papakita sa inyo. Pero happy ako na may pakita sa inyo. Ginawa natin to is para more on safetyness, mas matibay, especially yung Bicol ay daanan ng bagyo. Lagi may bagyo, so mahirap pag may bagyo. Lilipat kami sa evacuation center, laging ganon. So sabi ko, pag ako'y nakaipon, papagawa natin yung bahay. So ito na yon. Pero nga, wala tayong idea kung gaano kamahal, kagastos, or kalaki yung kailangan, or kung saan naabot yung pera na meron tayo. At next time din, ay ipapakita natin or lahat ng mga nangyari and sa lahat din ng mga nagbigay, nag-donate. At yan, para mapasalamatan din sila. So yun, sa susunod na video. Yun, maraming salamat ulit. And yun, God bless po sa inyo lahat. And thank you so much, diba? Taglish na. Maraming salamat. And see you next time. Okay.
Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing.
Thank you for your love and support.
The biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now
Yeah!